Are you taking a trip to multiple destinations and you're just not sure how long you should spend in each place? Let me show you how I figured this out. So, today I'm going to talk to you about how long you should be spending in each place on your trip. Now, when you have multiple places that you are going to be visiting and actually traveling to, you want to make sure that you have enough time and not too little time in each place. The less time you have, the more stressful everything's and costly everything's going to get. So, my rule of thumb is to spend a minimum of 3 days in one particular spot. This way, you have time to relax into the city. You don't have to travel all the time. It's less stressful. You don't have to rush everywhere. So it gives you time to breathe in and out and not rush. I keep saying rush. But it also saves money because the more times you're traveling, the more times you're spending on travel costs and also on different hotels. So the more you can stay longer in an actual hotel or your accommodation, you can get that price down a little bit more instead of spending one night here, one night there, one night there. Now, another thing you want to keep in mind is this isn't always possible. Sometimes you just don't have the time to be able to spend a minimum of 3 nights in all the places you want to go. So you want to also determine what type of travel you want to take. Is this you want to see everything and you're okay to be dead tired by the time you get home? And just relax when you get home, or do you want it to have a bit of a slower pace? Now, if you're wanting it to be a bit of a slower pace, you want to make sure that you either narrow down the amount of places that you're going to be able to fit into this one trip, or you want to extend the trip to be longer. Now, it also depends on your budget and where it's comfortable, but those are the two things that you really want to look for when you're planning out your trip, because the last thing you want to do is, if you're going there and you wanting to have a nice relaxing time and you're going from place to place to place, it's very stressful, because not only is it stressful just rushing around seeing everything, it's also stressful because you're having to get used to a whole new city, how to get around, where is your hotel, checking in, checking out, getting to the train station or getting to the airport. There's a lot of things that take up a travel day. So a lot of people see a travel day, it's like, oh, it's just we'll be able to do things once we get there. It's very tiring. So you want to make sure that you realize how much stuff has to get done and how much hurry up and wait sometimes there is on a travel day, so that you make the maximum amount of use of your time while you're on your trip. So I hope this helps you plan your trip. It's definitely a rule that I try and follow as much as I can. If you have any questions about trip planning, travels, anything like that, please feel free to reach out to me. You can also leave a comment down below and I would be happy to answer it for you. Now, if you haven't already downloaded my Vacation Blueprint Starter Kit, do download that. I'm going to put that in the comments and it will help you guide you through how to plan your future trips. I hope you have a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye.